So I have this hard plastic roof, and I like it. It's durable. You look over here, a razor ran into me, and that's all the damage it got, but some of these factory roofs would have just broke all the supports, but since this is a thick piece of plastic, not an issue. I always noticed that's always wavy, and then there's this hole which doesn't line up underneath, so I drilled this hole. No big deal. Nice little lip for this light bar. See if we can zoom in. Yeah, I installed this roof backwards. There's that nice little lip in the back where I installed my light bar.